This is the LD-7 entry-level case sealer. When it's time to get away from hand taping, when you get about 300 boxes or more that you're doing in a day, this is the machine for you. And what somebody wants in an entry-level machine is something that's easy to use and that's safe. And what I mean by that, the single mass design allows an operator to start here, and if for any reason they would get caught, they can walk right through the machine and out the other side. It's plug and play, and the operator can easily change over from box size to box size. You simply put your box here, your side rails, even if your box is off, self-centering side rails bring it up to the center, you lock it in place, you slide your head down on top of the box, counterbalance spring makes that an easy task. And finally, another feature that sets us apart from our competition is our self-centering, self-tensioning guide belts. I can pull on this belt, and as you can see, it's spring-loaded. What that gives you is longer life out of your belts, and as they start to wear thin, the tension will still allow a box to go through. If when running, for any reason, the belt would get out of sync, pulled by a piece of corrugation or something else, the belt will always go back to center. This giving you longer belt life and reduced parts cost.